Welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to do addition of 3 fields of a table. Here we want to add financed, leased, and sold data. To do that, click on the Transform Data icon from the top. It will open the Power Query Editor. Here we have all our 3 columns. I will click on Add Column icon and then click on Custom Column. I will name it as Sum. We will now add financed, sold, and leased data by just clicking on them at the Available Columns section. We have now created the 4th column called Sum. Let's close and apply the changes. The field Sum is now created.
If you want to learn to create an awesome-looking dashboard like this in less than 20 minutes, then click on the link above or click on the end screen video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates. Also, don't forget to check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.